Is Toyota about to end the EV revolution? Could a single engine really change the future of cars? This incredible innovation from Toyota promises to shake the foundations of the automotive industry. This is the truth about the engine that Toyota's CEO says will destroy the entire EV industry. Toyota is huge in the car world and is famous for its innovation. But even with the rise of electric vehicles, EVs, Toyota is sticking to its guns and offering a variety of options. In 2023, Toyota sold a whopping 11.2 million cars. But here's the thing, only about 104,000 of those vehicles were electric. That's less than 1% of their total sales. So why is Toyota still betting on traditional engines and now a new type of combustion engine? According to Toyota's chairman, people should have the freedom to choose their vehicles without feeling pressured to go electric. He made this clear in a speech to corporate managers and executives, stating that traditional engines, hybrid cars, and fuel cell electric vehicles will still be important. He even hinted at a big new engine project coming up. What's this new revolutionary engine all about? Toyota calls it the hydrogen combustion engine. Unlike the hydrogen fuel cell technology in their Mirai, this new engine works like a traditional internal combustion engine but runs on hydrogen instead of gasoline. This could be huge in the car industry. Why is hydrogen such a big deal? Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe and has the highest energy density of any non-nuclear power source. It's clean, non-toxic, and can be made from many sources. Plus, it can be stored for a long time and transported easily. Millions of tons of hydrogen are produced and used safely every year in buildings, forklifts, ships, trains, and yes, even cars. So how does this hydrogen combustion engine work? It all starts with hydrogen fuel, stored in thick, armored tanks for safety, just like in Toyota's fuel cell vehicle, the Mirai. The hydrogen is then fed into the engine where it combusts to produce power. The only byproduct? Water. That's right, no harmful pollutants, just pure water vapor. But how does Toyota make this engine so efficient? Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine uses a high-pressure direct injection system to deliver hydrogen into the combustion chamber. This system optimizes performance and efficiency, ensuring the engine runs smoothly and powerfully. One standout feature is its rapid combustion rate. Hydrogen burns much faster than gasoline, resulting in quick throttle response and enhanced engine responsiveness. This is crucial for driving performance, providing the immediate power and distinct engine sound that drivers love. Why are hydrogen engines such a big deal? Hydrogen engines have several advantages over traditional gasoline engines and even electric vehicles. First, hydrogen has a high energy density, meaning it can produce a lot of power from a small amount of fuel. This makes hydrogen engines highly efficient, especially during high-load situations. As a result, they offer excellent fuel economy and significantly reduced emissions. In fact, the only emission from a hydrogen combustion engine is water vapor, making it one of the most environmentally friendly options available. Wondering about the convenience factor? Hydrogen-powered vehicles have longer ranges and faster refueling times compared to electric vehicles. Filling up a hydrogen tank takes just 90 seconds, similar to refueling a gasoline car. This quick and easy refueling makes hydrogen vehicles an attractive option for drivers. Did you know Toyota has been a leader in eco-friendly technology for decades? Back in 1997, they introduced the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid car. Since then, they've been pushing the envelope, finding new ways to cut vehicle emissions and promote sustainability. Toyota's big bet on hydrogen technology shows just how committed they are to a greener future. What's their latest project? It's the GR Corolla H2, a prototype car with a 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine running on hydrogen. This car shows Toyota's knack for mixing traditional design with cutting-edge tech. It's powerful, environmentally friendly, and can travel up to 300 miles on just 5 kilograms of hydrogen, emitting only 50 liters of water vapor. But are these hydrogen-powered vehicles just concepts? No way! Toyota's already putting them to the test. The Corolla Cross H2 concept car is being evaluated in winter road conditions in northern Japan. This rigorous testing ensures the car performs well in different environments and is ready for mass production. How serious is Japan about hydrogen tech? The Japanese government has big plans. They aim to have 200,000 fuel cell-powered vehicles on the road by 2025 and 800,000 by 2030. With more refueling stations popping up across the country, the infrastructure for hydrogen vehicles is growing fast. Wondering about the environmental benefits of hydrogen engines? One of the biggest advantages is their minimal environmental impact. Unlike traditional gasoline engines that emit tons of carbon dioxide, hydrogen engines produce zero CO2 emissions. The only byproduct is water vapor, which is completely harmless to the environment. But that's not all. Hydrogen engines don't need rare metals like lithium and nickel, which are key components in EV batteries. This reduces the environmental footprint of hydrogen vehicles, making them a much greener option. Plus, hydrogen fuel can be produced using renewable energy sources like wind and solar power, boosting its eco-friendly credentials even more. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Are there any challenges with hydrogen technology? Definitely. One major hurdle is the need for a solid infrastructure to support hydrogen fueling. Unlike gasoline and electric vehicle charging stations, hydrogen refueling spots are still pretty rare. Building a widespread and accessible hydrogen fueling network requires significant investment and coordination. What about safety concerns? Hydrogen is highly flammable, which raises safety issues, but Toyota is on it. They've implemented meticulous engineering and strict safety protocols. Advanced sensor technology detects leaks and prevents accidents, ensuring that hydrogen-powered vehicles are safe for everyday use. Did you know Toyota's investment in hydrogen technology goes beyond just passenger cars? They're looking into using it for commercial vehicles, public transportation, and even stationary power systems. By expanding the use of hydrogen technology, Toyota is paving the way for a sustainable future. How do these hydrogen fuel cells work? They use proton exchange membrane technology to convert the chemical energy from hydrogen and oxygen into electrical energy, emitting only water. This clean energy tech can be adapted for various products and situations, making it a versatile solution for cutting carbon emissions. Think Toyota is stopping at hydrogen? Think again! They're also pushing hybrid technology forward with their Hybrid Synergy Drive or HSD system. Remember the Prius? It was the first car to feature this system, which combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor for strong performance and great fuel efficiency. What's new with their hybrid tech? The latest version, THS2, takes it to the next level. It uses a high-voltage power circuit to reduce energy loss and boost efficiency. Plus, it includes a powerful motor and generator that work together to optimize performance. By constantly innovating, Toyota makes sure their vehicles meet strict environmental regulations and still provide a fun driving experience. What do you think about Toyota's new engine? Let us know in the comments below. Ever wonder what makes Toyota's 1.6-liter 3-cylinder turbo engine so special? Let's dive into it. This engine is a perfect blend of traditional design and cutting-edge technology. It's built on the same platform as the renowned GR Yaris, known for its performance and agility. But how did Toyota adapt this engine for hydrogen? They had to make several modifications. The result? A high-performance engine that maintains its power and efficiency even with hydrogen fuel. The secret is in the hydrogen combustion process, which requires different handling and combustion techniques compared to gasoline. Toyota's engineers optimize the turbocharger and other parts to handle hydrogen's unique properties. This ensures the engine delivers the necessary boost for high performance. Plus, the hydrogen combustion engine is more efficient than traditional engines, especially under high loads. This means better fuel economy and near zero emissions, with water vapor being the only byproduct. So what challenges does the hydrogen engine industry face? One big hurdle is the lack of hydrogen refueling stations. Unlike gasoline stations or electric vehicle charging points, hydrogen fueling spots are still rare. Building a widespread and accessible hydrogen fueling network requires significant investment and coordination. What about safety? Hydrogen's high flammability is a concern, but Toyota is on top of it. They've implemented advanced engineering solutions and strict safety protocols. They've developed robust storage systems for hydrogen fuel and advanced sensor technology to detect leaks and prevent accidents. Ensuring public safety isn't just about creating safe vehicles. It's also about educating people on safe handling practices for hydrogen. What's Toyota's plan for carbon neutrality? It's not just about cutting vehicle emissions. Toyota is taking a comprehensive approach that includes rethinking manufacturing processes, investing in renewable energy, and promoting recycling and resource efficiency. why diversify their approach? By including hydrogen, hybrid, and electric technologies, Toyota can meet different regional needs and energy infrastructures. For instance, in areas rich in renewable energy, battery electric vehicles are a great fit. But in regions where hydrogen production is powered by renewables, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles and hydrogen combustion engines make more sense. How committed is Toyota to hydrogen technology? Just look at their real-world testing and future plans. The Corolla Cross H2 concept car, currently being tested in northern Japan, shows Toyota's dedication to bringing hydrogen-powered vehicles to market. The Japanese government's ambitious goals for hydrogen-powered vehicles and the expansion of refueling stations further support this vision. But the potential of hydrogen technology goes beyond cars. Toyota's fuel cells, which use proton exchange membrane technology, can be adapted for various applications, from commercial vehicles to stationary power systems. This versatility makes hydrogen a promising solution for reducing carbon emissions across different sectors. By combining the best aspects of traditional engines and hydrogen fuel, Toyota is offering a powerful, efficient, and environmentally friendly solution. As they continue to test and refine this technology, we can expect to see more hydrogen-powered vehicles on the road in the near future. And if you enjoyed learning about this, make sure to click on our next video on 6 reasons why the Toyota CEO said, "I told you so."